Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Well, good morning, everybody. I just want to say congratulations to the winner of the 500 subscriber giveaway, and the winner of the giveaway is Jacob, the Zook Show on Instagram. Congratulations, Jacob, and thank you all for participating. Jacob, go ahead, DM me your address or wherever you want me to send this stuff to. You just won the DeWalt toolkit, and you won the Rhino USA straps. So congratulations, Jacob. Thank you all for participating. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning.